Hi, I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Bistro MD. Bistro MD is one of the few medically inspired weight loss meal delivery programs out there. It was designed by a doctor to help people lose weight in a healthy, sustainable way. Scientifically backed, the program includes all the right elements for healthy lifestyle changes, including nutritionally balanced meals, support, exercise, and education. Meals are all balanced and prepared for you, so you don't have to do all the work. There's also a dietitian support and other tools. Bistro MD is the best option if you're looking for a convenient way to lose weight that just so happens to be designed by an actual doctor. Dr. Sederquist has spent years studying the topic of weight loss and created the Bistro MD program for optimal weight loss that's healthy and effective. Bistro MD gives you lots of control over your diet, and there are a lot of plans to choose from. Sign up for the right plan, customize your menu, and even set taste preferences for better menu selections. Bistro MD also has dietitians available for consultations to help balance your plan properly. Bistro MD is really great about variety. There are a ton of tailored plans to choose from, including gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, and heart-healthy. There are also dairy-free, low-sodium, low-carb, and even a menopause-specific plan. And Bistro MD works with allergies. With Bistro MD, your entire day is covered. Meals range from protein-rich breakfasts like Italian-style omelet and chicken dill crepe to lunches and dinners including pork tenderloin in mushroom marsala sauce to a red wine sauce beef and barley. Bistro MD even throws in healthy snacks. If meal prep is your problem, Bistro MD is your answer. That's because all these meals are delivered ready to eat. You'll just have to heat them up. No mess, no fuss. What's more, Bistro MD uses many organic and health-boosting ingredients and even bans baddies like preservatives, artificial flavors, and sweeteners. Bistro MD has a tremendous quantity of fitness resources on the site, including an entire health library. It has articles, exercise programs, and tips on how to exercise properly and create a workable fitness plan for yourself. Bistro MD also has fitness experts you can speak to for advice. Bistro MD has registered dietitians that you can connect with for help on your weight loss journey. There's also a free consultation with a registered dietitian so you can set yourself up with the proper diet plan for you. Bistro MD also has a members-only community for sharing and encouragement. Bistro MD doesn't have a mobile app, but it does have an online portal that you can use to control your account. Log on to your account to place orders, customize your menu, and change your account preferences. You can also use it to connect with the experts and access articles. Bistro MD plans range in pricing from $97.46 to $142.46. Pick the right plan for you, and then choose a full program or just lunches and dinners for 5 or 7 days. Meals start at $7.50, making Bistro MD one of the most affordable weight loss meal delivery programs. It was a great service. The food is delicious and the customer service is great. I get a lot of help keeping on track. A great weight loss program that includes exercise and food to make a healthier person, and a virtual expert lets you know you are going in the right direction. Bistro MD is a scientifically backed weight loss program that delivers results in an appetizing meal program. All meals are ready to eat when they arrive, and you can customize your meals nicely. Bistro MD has lots of plans to choose from and several additional resources like fitness library and dietitian support. I hope this video helped you decide whether Bistro MD is the right weight loss program for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.